It is 1:15.
1:15.
1:15. See what this old girl has for me today. Basically what I do is I try to get in here, see what I need to do, and go from there. I see wrestling's here, so we got to make sure the wrestling mats are cleaned. We got boys basketball in the Navy until 4:30, then girls comes in from 4:30 to 7:30. I'm gonna go put the baskets down, get that curtain up, get everything ready for basketball, and I'll try to get to the mats. In the Navy gym, there's 6 switches on the wall that we can do it all at one time. But over here, it's just more manual. Columbia is ready, Navy's ready, so we can go down and look at the wrestling room. All right, just like I said, checking my emails. So this is the wrestling room. We need to spray the mats down. We use a disinfectant. We got 3 subs again tonight, so I gotta figure that out. Down here, it's what I need to make sure is covered for tonight. There's a UNICEF meeting from 2:45 to 3:45. Then I have third shift, schedule for what they need to do. And as you can see as we walk, I mean, it's not like it's an empty building now when school's over. There's always, hey Joel, always teachers or students in the building. We are heading up to 3rd floor K-Pod, just Toby and I. They retiled 2 rooms, so we have to go up there, clean the rooms, and wash the floors, and then put 2 coats of wax on. Just back and forth. Go down, lock the pool up, make sure everything looks okay down there. Hello? Just try to make sure all the hallway doors are locked. So we go outside then and just make sure all the outer access points are closed. So we'll go into the filter room here real quick. So what he wants me to do is make sure these aren't overheating and make sure that the water is not overflowing in the pool tonight. So this is why we dry mop and put the baskets down earlier.
Do you keep track of your steps?
I stopped keeping track. I was getting 22,000 steps a night, and it's like, bigger events and stuff, it was more. So right now we're heading back through E-Pod. Everything look okay in your area so far? Yeah. All right. Tomorrow, there's probably gonna be a big group coming back to help you because we got a lot of people here at 2:45 and all the calves. Another part of my duties is checking the air handler rooms and stuff. So we always check these to make sure there's no leaks, there's no weird noises.
Are these OG to the building?
These are OG. These will be coming out when they do the renovations of this area. And in my normal rounds, I'm always checking the ceiling tiles. There's always something you gotta be on the lookout for or listening for. Not to mention if the fire alarm goes off, you gotta make sure you clear out all the pods. And I've had that happen 3 times already on 2nd shift. We are heading down. Well, I have to do my outside check, which consists of closing up the stadium and gates. My phone's ringing, sorry. Hello? Oh, well, I'm right here, so that's fine. You got it? All right, thank you.
It's a day in the life.
Day in the
Day in the
life.
life of Earl, yeah.
Well, here's what happens sometimes in the day of the life of Earl. Sometimes he gets called to come do something that I could have just done myself. Sorry, buddy. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. But Earl's the man.
It's all right.
He takes care of us.
No problem.
Thank you, man. I
Thanks,
appreciate
Sean. So this is what I generally do, stop at each outside door. Now we'll run down here and check the turf field.
Have a good night.
You too.
On our journey is now spitting
Raining or something.
Precipitation. Rain,
Here
snow,
it's lower here.
sleet, not sure.
Yeah, this is what I got to deal with every night.
Yeah.
Rain, snow, wind,
It's like a mailman at night.
and that's not to mention I'm halfway across the school and somebody on the other side wants me to come back and do something for them.
So yeah, this man's work is never done.
Yeah.
It's cold out, peoples. Cold out.
So what we're doing is just checking the temperatures in the freezer and the 2 refrigerators out front just to make sure everything is at normal operating levels.
And you do this every night?
Every night, once on the weekend. So facilities, basically, you know, what you don't see behind the scenes is that we're constantly always doing something. It's not just janitorial work. It's logistics, you know, for moves and setups for events, tear downs for events. So when you come to that basketball game, you don't realize all the work that was involved in getting the floor ready, getting the bleachers, make sure they're clean. Nets up, nets down, as you saw us do today.
Earl, you're sitting.
I am.
It is almost time to go. It's 11:25.
My alarm's gonna go first.
We've done a lot today. Been everywhere, done a little bit of everything. Why do you do what you do?
I basically take pride in what I do, and I just know that it helps make North Penn a great school that it is.
Well, we appreciate everything you do. You're a guy behind the scenes who does so much that not everybody realizes how much you do, and your crew, and those that you work with every day.
Yep.
Thank you so much for making North Penn a great place.
You're welcome.
We appreciate it.
Thanks for the time to show what happens behind the scenes here.
Earl's going home after a long day here at North Penn High School. But before he goes, he's got to go check a gate somewhere. Good night, Earl! See you tomorrow! Which is in a half hour.